Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look if your Samsung Galaxy S21 or the S21 Ultra or the Plus come with a screen protector. Now while straight off the box it does not have a proper screen protector, but they do however have a very thin film protector right here. Now if I try to get the focus in, you can see there is a film protector right here that you can use as a screen protector for now, temporary, until you get a new one. This one here is quite thin. Now if you look at this one here, this is probably the same quality. This is the one that I peel out from the side, so you can take a look here. It's quite thin. It's not very strong at all, but you still can use it. You can cut it off. So at the top here we can get a scissors or something, and then we can just kind of cut off this tab right here. And then use this film as a screen protector while you're getting a new one. And that's it. So it does have kind of like a very minimal film protection, but it is not a proper screen protector. If you want a proper screen protector, you can get a tempered glass screen protector, or you can get a film screen protector as well, but not this one. This one is very thin. And so yeah guys, it does have something on already for you to use straight away. And at the back here there is also some kind of a film protection. It is black. You can see if I peel it out, it is in black color. You can leave it on just to give the back protections. It is really good because when we have a case on, sometimes sands can go on the inside and cause scratches. Now this depends on what kind of case you're getting. If you are getting a transparent case, then you want to remove this. Otherwise it will not look good inside a transparent case. But otherwise, if your case is not transparent, you can just leave this one on to give you extra protections, because sand sometimes can rub at the back, especially if your phone is in black color. Then you want to leave this one on. And yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.